Bro, this blue Camry is looking so good. Like, I was honking and stuff. I'm like, what the hell? And it turns out somebody follows. So. And I think that's one way youngsters can get closer to the holy word. Thinking of curating a little community in Dehradun of like-minded people. You know, meet once a month. ये क्या काट रहे हो? Silicone. Silicone. Remember the other day we spoke of maintenance. So all of this is going on. Maintenance hoti rehni chahiye, and a house where maintenance is very promptly done, barkata aandiyan hai. At least that's what my parents believe. I'm gonna hit the gym, and today is very interesting because I'm meeting someone cool for coffee, then trying out a vegan restaurant in Didun. Vegan. Hopes to come hai, but dekho kaisa hota hai. Now let's go hit chest on a Sunday, and then we are sorted. Bro, the AC wasn't working in the gym. Body wasn't supporting. I think it's tired from the run yesterday. Plus, I slept late, so I didn't sleep enough. Ooh, struggled. But done and dusted. Sunday workout done and dusted. Now let's relax, enjoy coffees, and yeah, have good food. Winters की तैयारी अब से हो रही है. Hi cutie. इन पे पेंट भी कराना है. होगा ठीक है?
होगा क्यों नहीं होगा? डॉक्टर हैं, नहीं समझ आएगी फिर सीनियर डॉक्टर आएगा क्यों भाई?
So while they do that, I'm gonna go shower. But I love this stuff. This is the best part about being home, man. This is life. This is life. This banter. So I'd started the car remotely because it's so hot. I didn't want it to burn up. If you see, the lights are on, and yeah, the car's on. अभी खुलेगी कैसे? खुल गई. Very tricky these are, yeah. Oh, nice and cool. Yes, baby, let's go. Check this advertisement. Dehradunia ka radio 89.2. That's just disgusting. What the hell is Dehradunia? Disgusting. Terrible. Anyway, this linen thingy. मैंने अभी ठाटा उतारा है इसे. This was purchased from Safed in Goa. पहली बार पहना actually और ठीक लग रहा है. This is the fit. You know, the color combo really goes well, I would say. I'm going back to Bhutan for a coffee. अच्छी coffee है वहाँ की. Just have a simple cappuccino. मैं बहुत mindful हो गया हूँ खाने को लेके. Less consumption is better.
Hi brother.
Hello. Very well. How are you?
Doing well?
Yeah. Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Yes.
Have a good day.
You too. Like, I was honking and stuff. I'm like, what the hell? And it turns out somebody follows. So anyway, vamos. The thing I have to mention about Dehradun is that the roads are destroyed. Like, there's potholes like all over the city, and I don't know what's happening, man. Like, all over the city there's just potholes, and they're repairing it with those tiles. What disgusting construction, man. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh, and we are almost here.
We are changing our product line. I mean, introducing new products.
Jagger cane chai chaska all the way, guys. Check it out.
Today I was making chai because I told everybody कि मैं बढ़िया चाय बनाती हूँ, और मुझ पे इतना प्रेशर हो गया था. मैंने कहा कि काश चाय चस्का लेके आई होती, because अदरक नहीं था घर पे, and
Yeah, chai chaska is
तुलसी
dope.
नहीं थी, and संडे को तुम तुलसी नहीं तोड़ सकते हो.
There's a rule?
Yeah, in I think Bania households.
Anyway, you get chai chaska, jaggercane.com. This is a shout out. Promoters are very solid.
We don't need a shout out in this season because it's the monsoon time, and
And they're struggling with deliveries.
No, it's not a good time for production and selling because of the moisture.
Okay, just shout outs for December. You just okay. Nice. Came here yesterday also. This is you too. Am I looking good today?
Yeah.
Yeah? 10 on 10?
Yes.
10 on 10. No scope for improvement. Yeah.
No, there's always scope for it.
Wearing for the first time, by the way.
Oh, this
First time.
rust color.
No, second time. Because the day I bought it, I wore it. In Goa. Hey, looks good. Looks fab. Gracias. Amongst other things, we discussed how one gets closer to the Barney.
Yeah.
And the lady gives a lot of prompts to Claude and like delves into it very deeply. And I think that's one way youngsters can get closer to the holy word. Any other recommendation apart from AI?
I think that has been doing wonders for me.
Wonders for you, right?
Yeah.
Do you also put prompts like, because I do it, like how would an atheist counter this? Do you do that? You do stuff like that?
No.
I do it all the time. Brilliant results. Yeah. Be like you're a perfect atheist, you're Richard Dawkins. How would you counter this? And you love to see AI struggle then. Yeah, anyway, chalo. Beautiful weather now, as you can see. Beauty.
So why did we start this? Dadima was kind of
ਫਿਰ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਠੰਡ ਠੰਡੋਰਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਚਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਜੁੱਠੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦਾ ਹਾਲ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਬੜੀ ਦੁਖਦਾਇਕ ਘਟਨਾ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਕੇ ਵੀ ਰੋਣਾ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ
That's a Dadi. What's her username?
it's called Dadi Diljit Kaur.
Guys, follow Dadi Diljit Kaur. Beautiful. In 4 months, 8,500 followers. It's given a renewed sense of purpose to her grandmom, and she's so lucid and she's a one-take artist. So beautiful stuff. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. That this content changes lives, to be honest. It really does. And I'm sure people, when they were people from world over connecting with her.
Yeah, a lot of people from Pakistan.
Yeah.
They're just messaging us that
Yeah.
show her Lahore College through video call. Just let us know.
That's so beautiful, man. Bro, this blue Camry is looking so good. What a brilliant choice this gentleman has made. What color do you like in cars?
Cars. Black.
Black. Always timeless, but very high maintenance. But that blue is looking really good. I think we're gonna go for a white. We are here to try vegan food, baby. Let's see, will it let us down or will it inspire us? Chalo, let's go. This is a huge Didun store, right? Massive, isn't it? We did a YouTube video here, if you guys remember. We were picking up stuff. It did really well. I should do another one. Grocery haul, baby. Let's go. Gum gaya wo. Can't find one individual. Say hi, homies. That's Shweta. Zelocity in the house. YouTube. You guys are very popular on YouTube.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. What's up? Say hi.
Hi.
Why do we have our tumblers?
Because they have all disposables. We don't want to increase waste in the
Okay, so we carried, and इसमें coffee पियेंगे.
Yes.
Not a bad idea. Solid. I told you ना, they were very mindful. Cure Veda. ये तो collagen है. Collagen. Cosmix yeast protein use कर रहे हैं. But किस में डालोगे? ये तो बहुत sugary है stuff.
Only smoothie में डालेगा
Smoothie कहाँ है?
Yeah, smoothies and perfect.
Coconut glow, dark chocolate peanut butter. ये try करता हूँ मैं, dark chocolate peanut butter. ठीक है? And add a scoop. What's what?
What's ube?
ये Bangkok pad krapao में क्या है?
अपना सौते वेजिटेबल रहेगा एंड टोफू रहेगा इसमें टोफू रहेगा इसमें
आप कौन सा recommend करोगे? To be honest, since everything is vegan anyway.
टोपाव भी अच्छा है सर बाकी फलाफल बाउल ट्राई कर सकते हैं
I don't want falafel, वो fried होगा. नहीं वो नहीं चाहिए. Shanghai veggie noodle bowl. Noodles किस चीज़ के बने हैं?
ये राइस नूडल्स
That could be nice.
Yeah, and Shanghai veggie noodle bowl में tofu भी आता है के साथ. I
चल.
think that's interesting. So we could try one of that and then one Bangkok pad crap.
Yeah, ये कर दो actually. So yeah, one Bangkok pad, one Shanghai veggie. Let's see. Pretty. It's called Kind Greens. Power up, baby. Plant protein. 100%. Waste.
Bangkok crab.
So we have 2 food things and 2 beverages, and this is 1507. It's reasonably priced. It's like $3.95, $2.35, and so yeah, pretty reasonable. Tumblr gang, cheers, buddy. Cheers. Does anyone want to try?
Which one is
It's
this?
a
So-
smoothie.
Peanut butter cacao with
I don't like smoothies.
plant-based. You want to try?
Not right now.
Give it a shot, na. What's the worst that will happen? You'll just throw it. How's it?
Because वो इतना भर
ठीक ही लग रहा
Very
है.
heavy.
हाँ तो smoothies are very calorie dense.
My gut can't take it.
So good. It's like a dessert, bro.
Which milk is this? Oh,
10 on
okay.
10. Everything's vegan.
Yeah, yeah. So plant milks are many, right?
Acha, soy,
Soy.
almond.
Coconut.
No, I just went with standard
I love
factory
coconut
setting.
milk.
Yeah.
just for the curries.
I don't like a lot of coconut in my food.
Yeah.
Coconut curries
I
just
like
taste
coconut.
amazing.
I love coconut
So
chutney.
the first dish is a total pass.
And this
First
is
तो
good.
ठीक है.
The mocha, but it's just too grainy.
तो देखो जी ऐसे भी माइंडफुल लोग हैं जो कंटेनर्स लेके आ रहे हैं.
Yes. मैं तो अपने डब्बे भी लेके जाती हूँ रेस्टोरेंट में साथ में.
हाँ.
खाना बच गया तो वो डब्बों में डाल के लाती हूँ.
Let's say taste test. Guys, go for it ना. यार ये मिर्ची तो just ruined my day.
For the chili. Is it chili or bean? I think that's a French bean.
No, the
Yeah.
red.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Can you see?
I'll have.
Are you able to see the red color or no? You are.
Are you colorblind?
He's
I
colorblind.
am colorblind. I'm not blind. on white rice, I can see red chilies, baby.
I just
That
thought
is
I'll
so-
ask you because you told him it's a bean.
It's a rummy. It's yummy. It's so good.
Yeah.
You should have a taste though. That's tofu. Yeah, so good.
I will take.
I make a
I will
really
take
good
away
tofu dip.
You do?
Yeah.
She cooks very well.
ये भी इस पे रख दे.
Yeah, I think that.
Yeah.
Looks so good, man.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a little tofu test. And rice noodles, huh? So good.
Yeah.
And it's not very.
You know what I really hope? That they don't lower their quality.
Yeah.
A lot of
So what
cafes
was
in
the
Dehradun
marination?
open up and then the quality just dies. I can't have another vegan place die down on me.
I know. That's why I'm bringing everybody.
There was
here
this
so that
healthy
there
food
is good
restaurant
rush.
near Astley Hall.
Okay.
So from Astley Hall you take a right towards that parallel road. On the right hand side ऊपर एक there's a restaurant and it marketed itself as a healthy restaurant. Bro, the food was nasty. Kitty parties चल रही थी वहाँ. Which was a red flag anyway.
Yeah. But poor guys, if they're not really able to market or sustain in that break-even,
Absolutely, because there's such an investment in the furniture, in the rent, in the decoration.
नहीं आ रहा है इससे, so they have to.
Just picking up this kombucha. Neat beverages to have with dinner and stuff. And the weather is pretty good. It's been a nice, gentle day in the city. How much? 212. 212. 212 for 3. Not bad, yeah? There you go, sir. अच्छा खाना था. अब घर चलते हैं. Getting homesick. Let's go. Oh damn, check this out. Someone's house and that's an old school sort of pool. Damn, somebody with a lot of taste must have built that back in the day. Not bad. Crazy property. Anji, where are your friends? Oh, it's right here. Should I drop you there? Yeah. Okay, I'll drop you there. You guys headed home?
Yes.
Bye. Alright then, finally headed home. Pretty wholesome day, I would say. Yeah, मज़े आ गए. Coffee अच्छी थी वहाँ पर, weather अच्छा है यहाँ, खाना अच्छा था. तो pretty cool day. अब घर जाके घर वालों के साथ chill करते हैं. And it was a pretty pleasant evening. Beautiful people met. It's always good to hang out with like-minded energy, nourishing energy, no gossip, nothing of that sort. Just mindful stuff. Yeah. Thinking of curating a little community in Dehradun of like-minded people. You know, meet once a month, talk life, talk books, talk fitness, all of that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog. And now I'm not going to enjoy the traffic so much, but it is what it is. Look at this beautiful sadak. Ah, a bit of Goa energy. And now you have a bit of Gaon energy. that was all. That was all the fun we were having. At these skies, boys and girls, just look at them. So dark. Love it. Love the gloom.